Roman Empire, one of the greatest civilizations in history, its influence stretched across continents, shaping art, culture, law, and governance. But what if the Roman Empire never fell? What would our world look like today? At its peak in the 2nd century AD, the Roman Empire spanned 3 continents: Europe, Asia, and Africa. Its roads, aqueducts, and governance systems were centuries ahead of their time. But in 476 AD, the Western Roman Empire fell, marking the end of an era. The Eastern Roman Empire, or Byzantine Empire, endured for another 1,000 years, but the unified Roman legacy was lost. Imagine if the Roman Empire had never fallen. A continuous Roman rule could have led to an earlier industrial revolution. With their advanced engineering and infrastructure, they might have developed steam power, machinery, and even modern transportation systems far ahead of our timeline. In a world where Rome endures, military innovations would likely evolve rapidly. Roman legions could become a global peacekeeping force, maintaining order across continents. Perhaps the world would be united under a single political system governed by Roman law. Education and culture could also flourish. Latin might have remained the universal language, uniting the world under a common tongue. Scientific discoveries, arts, and literature might have reached heights we can only dream of today. But would it all be perfect? A continuous Roman Empire might mean less diversity in governance and culture. Local traditions and languages could have been suppressed under Roman rule, and centralized power might lead to stagnation or abuse. Still, the idea of a Roman Empire that never fell is fascinating. Its impact on trade, technology, and global unity could have transformed humanity's path. But history took a different turn, and the legacy of Rome lives on in our systems of government, architecture, and laws. What do you think? Would a world under an eternal Roman Empire be better or worse? Share your thoughts in the comments below.